Hi, this is Dr. Melissa Liepins Masek from Missouri Eye Consultants. Today we are going to talk a little bit about getting kids started in glasses. With screenings by both schools and pediatricians beginning to improve, you might notice that you're seeing more and more kids today out in glasses, especially at younger ages. So when parents come in and if their kids end up needing glasses, they often have a lot of questions for me about how this is going to work with little kids needing glasses. So today I thought I'd take a little bit of time to talk about what I usually talk about with the parents when their kids do need glasses. So the first question that I always get is, how am I going to get my kid to wear these glasses? And as a fellow mom myself, I totally get this. You know, I would often have the same thought if my kids were needing glasses. But the advice that I almost always give all of my families are that if the kid needs glasses, your child is going to wear them. We are here to help you make sure that you're successful in those glasses. So the first important thing that I say is definitely the frame type. If our kids are in the wrong type of glasses, and I actually had a patient in the office here today who was started in a hefty prescription by another office out of town, and that the glasses just fit so poorly that there was just no way that this little kiddo was going to be successful in these glasses. So I think it's really, really important to be fitting the kids in the right type of glasses. So I wanted to talk to you by age group, what glasses I think are most appropriate for kids. So the first age group that I have is kind of from babies till about 4 years of age. I always recommend a type of frame here, and I've got an example. These are called gizmos. It's just one of many of the brands that we have that work similar to this. So what I love about these glasses is that they are completely bendable and moldable, aka pretty indestructible when it comes to kids. And I love this because really we don't end up having to replace these glasses or going through multiple pairs of broken glasses when we have these frames on your child. They come in an array of lots of different colors. So if you like pink, or if you want to look like Blippi and orange glasses, we've got you covered. The other thing I really, really love about these frames is that the lenses are interchangeable. So we're able to stay with these frames for quite a lot of time with kids. Usually the only time that we have to replace them is just when your kid physically outgrows the size of the frame. They really can't, they're pretty indestructible. I say unless your kid, or dog begins chewing on them, or if they kind of learn to take scissors to them. Some other benefits of these glasses that I really, really like that you may see here is they do come in with a built-in strap that goes behind the head. So that helps those glasses stay on and from slipping down the nose. The other thing that I really, really like about these glasses is that they do come in with this little earpiece that slides behind the ear, which also holds those glasses really stable on the head. Oftentimes, if the glasses are not comfortable or they're slipping a lot, we'll see kids just wanting to take them off. So I think both of these things here help ensure that your kids are leaving those glasses on. Both of these things are also fully removable. So say your kiddo doesn't like the strap, let's just pop it off. The other thing as well too is if they don't like these little silicone holders behind the ears, guess what? Boop, those just also pop off as well too. So they can be worn with or without the strap and with or without the earpiece. So this is a great brand here that we have that I really like, especially when it comes to kids, between the ages of 0 and 4. Once we get a little bit older, the next line of frames that I really, really like, especially when we get into that, 5 and up stage, but we're still worried about, maybe not being able to, keep our glasses in one piece quite as much, is a brand that's called Flexons. I've got a couple example of these here with that. So they definitely look like a little bit more of an adult style frame, but they still have a lot of durability. So they are quite stretchy in terms of that. We can, flex them a little bit, and then the temple itself, if you can see here with the metal, I'm actually able to, physically actually bend it. So it has a little bit more durability to it, but also being just, a little bit more of an adult-like style without, feeling like we're still just a little kid in those. So those are my two favorite when it comes to little kids. When it comes to older kids and beyond, I think the really thing, and even with the little kids, what is really, really important is letting your kids have a say in those glasses. So, they're gonna be the ones that are wearing them, and if they don't like their glasses, they're not gonna wear them. So, while you may not be crazy about the ones that they pick or the colors that they picked, if they're invested in picking out those glasses, they are gonna wear them. If kids have a high enough of prescription, oftentimes I will see them back for a follow-up after we've started their glasses. And one of the things that families oftentimes tell me is, you know, doc, I was really doubting how this was going to go with glasses, but I am shocked and surprised that they wore their glasses so well. And I think if, the frames are, carefully thought out, and they're good fitting frames that the kids like with the correct prescription, we're going to be successful. And as I said before, if the kids need the glasses, they're going to wear them. Thanks for listening to me today.